friends, what's going on out here today? It's 61. We're selling off the ATVs. Sold one, have 3 left. Here she is, my ride. She's going bye-byes. Got a burn barrel for all things that can't go in the dumpster. They have to be burnt. Probably have maybe 6 weeks, 7 weeks to departure. So departing out of here. Why are we doing this? Oh, let's see, let me count the ways. Let me count the reasons and the ways. It's an old saying, let me count the ways. Let's see. Boredom. Same thing every day, day in, day out. Doesn't make for a happy life. I don't care how busy you are, it's just boring. It gets boring after a while doing the same thing. Not having anything to look forward to. Except for trips and things like that, but I want to be on a permanent vacation for real. Let's see what else. Just the sheer maintenance of this place. It takes a team. And we're only getting older. So, it's just a matter of time. Anyway, so someone else will enjoy this house once it's leased. And there's a lot of other reasons why America doesn't work anymore. Cost of living, that's a big one. For the past 3 months, I'm gonna say 3 months, we've had nearly an $800 electric bill, and that's a joke. That's a complete joke. Okay, and then in the state of PA, they will send you notices that say, oh, you can shop for your electricity. Use this company, that company. Hasn't anyone ever thought that that's just a bit sketchy? Shouldn't there just be one electric supplier? Because I don't see more than one line, do you? I see one electric line, one. So we've had 3 months of that. We have oil, part oil heat with our home, and it's very, very expensive. Very expensive. And God bless us, we can afford it, but we don't want to afford it anymore. We don't want to afford it anymore. We don't want to afford the $800 electric bills. We don't want to sit here and twiddle our thumbs and go from our bedroom to the couch. And then when it's nice out, finally go outside and live a little. We're looking to live a lot, and we're looking to live every single day to the fullest. And to be honest, guys, ever since we came back to PA from the Gulf Coast, it has been a downward spiral. It's just the same thing. Gray skies, waiting for spring, counting the days. I promised myself years and years ago that I would never do that again. I would never wait to live again. I wouldn't count the days. I wouldn't feel some weird darkness and misery every time we went into a 15-day streak of cloudy, dark skies. And the monotony. It's just a monotony after retirement. What are you going to do? We've already done this life. My husband and I have done this life for 16 years. And every time we take a long vacation, we don't want to return. It's the same thing. We're just like, ugh. Wouldn't it be great if we just did this permanently and traveled? And what is it going to take to do that? What is it going to take? And what it takes is focus, dedication, making up your mind that that's what you want to do. You want to try it. And that's where we're at. We want to try to do traveling full time. And boy, have we ever went at it. We've sold 60% of our household furniture. We have donated the rest. Our son moves out in exactly 3 weeks. He moves out, and once he's out, we are right behind him. And I'm so excited for it that I can barely contain myself, honestly. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired of being the wife, the homemaker, the nurse, the accountant, the gardener, the maid, everything. I'm just tired of it. I've had enough. My husband's had enough. We've both had enough. We've had enough of it. The politics are not getting any better. Hate to mention politics, but it's part of it. I'd like to be somewhere where I don't think about politics. Just give me a break once in a while. So that's the update. That's where we are. We have people coming today to look at 2 more of the ATVs that are going pretty fast. We sold the one within 5 days, and then we have 3 left, so they'll all be gone, I'm sure. Lawnmower will be gone soon. The riding lawnmower, all the tools. We're gifting all those to our son. Lawnmower, all the tools. He got a snowblower from us. He got a power washer. He's getting a car from us. We're selling our other car, so we won't have a car. And I couldn't be happier. No more weights. I feel like I've been weighted down my whole life. Just constant weight. I'm out here with this right now because I'm getting ready to cut down some wires and things that are up. But yeah, guys, that's what's up. I'm a little sick, but I did take some medicine, so I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm not sure if this is seasonal allergies or if I have like a little cold or something, but I'm going to go with seasonal allergies, as I feel like that's just a better... Hey, if I'm going to latch on to something and claim it, I just say that. It's a little better just to say I have seasonal allergies, so I think that's what it is. But anyway, guys, I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. And you all will know once we're out of here. This is the first time in my life that I have gotten to this point of sheer bliss of the thought of not having a house. All the things that come with your house. All the things that come with multiple outbuildings and garages and cars and just everything. The animals will be taken care of. Our son's going to take care of them in his new place. So that's what's up, everyone. Take care.